What's up today, guys? Welcome back to the DK Custom Trucks YouTube channel. I know it's been a little while since I have made a video. I'm really trying to get into the habit of really grinding at this. I haven't been able to just get in that rhythm. If you guys want to help me try to get into that rhythm, start dropping subscriptions right down. You know, it's free. You know, you just click the, I don't know, as soon as you start the video, you see a little subscribe button right next to my name. If you guys could do that, that'd be so freaking awesome. Get me up to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I would love that. Today, what we're doing on the truck is I've got cab lights now that I'm installing. They are the Ram style cab lights, so it's gonna be pretty cool. A little different. There's been a couple trucks around here that I've seen that have had them, but mine are, I guess, maybe a little different. So I've got the dark headlights. I still got to get the dark fog lights, but I got the dark headlights. And I have white LED bulbs in there. I'm not even aiming you guys where I need to. There you go. I've got, you know, kind of dark headlights. My fog lights are, you know. But then I'll have the dark cab lights. And since I have the LED bulbs in my headlights and they're white LEDs, I got the white LED cab lights. And I talked to a trooper. They were super nice informing me about it. It's not necessarily legal, but it's like a 50-50 shot of you're either going to get stopped or they're not going to care that much. I guess probably if I'm being an asshole with it, like, you know, revving on it real bad or anything like that, they're going to be like, yeah, hey, no good. You need to start turning it back to stock or something, you know. So I guess without further ado, actually I'll show you what I got going on already in here. So I already have them marked and everything. So all I did was remove my visors, remove the center light thing, the other visor, and that light there is what I loosened. It's more than enough room for me to reach up there and do what I need to do with all the wiring and whatnot. And I'm going to wire it into my headlights, so that way when my headlights come on, my cab lights come on. It's going to be, maybe difficult, maybe easy. I really honestly don't know, because I've never done cab lights on a body style like this, a newer body style. I've done them on, like, the 90 style Chevys are so easy. I've done them on the 2000 style, like the cat eye and like the round headlight one that they had before the cat eye. I did them on them, as you can tell. Actually, I'll show you here on Scott's truck, because I'm up here to Scott's. Oh, it looks weird on stocks. But as you can tell here, I had installed these cab lights here on Scott's truck. So, yeah. Sorry, guys, I got distracted by that ugly son of a gun. A pretty big spider. Yeah, I don't like that. Let's go back outside. So, yeah, I've done cab lights before. It's just a matter of me trying to get back into the groove of it or in the rhythm of it or whatever it is that you want to say. I just kind of got to get used to it again. But I really think this is going to be kind of straightforward. It's only got, I think, one wire. And I had to buy another one just because how I'm going to run it. I'm going to have a fuse jumper and everything. But literally, this is all your hardware right here. And I'll actually show you what's in here real quick. Alright guys, so what you have here is, here's a kill switch for it. I'm not going to be using this, so that's going to be garbage. Well, not really garbage, but it comes with a wiring harness. You know, just a long positive wire. It's about, I think, 8 feet long. It's real long. Comes with some mounting hardware, you know, some screws. It comes with these little attachers, which is kind of nice. There you go, it's focusing. Comes with these, you know, you just kind of push them down and then it ties the wire in on its own. Here's another little fuse thing that it's got, which we're not going to need because I'm going to run my own style fuse, and actually I'll grab those and show you. So I just went and bought some regular, like run-of-the-mill 18 gauge wire, any color, because I know that red's hot. So, and then there's this. This is a fuse jumper. Actually, it's a fuse tap, but it's a fuse jumper is what we call it, at least. So that's what we're gonna use to tie this in. It should be fairly easy. Ooh, that was weird. It should be fairly easy. I already have the Cablights all spaced out the way I want them, and they're all at 4.5 inches to the top of the roof right here, the seam at the roof. They're all 4.5 inches to there. The outside one to that second one is 10.5 inches separate. From the second one into the middle one's 11. From the other one to the middle one, or from this inside one right here to the middle one right here is also 11. But from this one here to this one here is 10.5. You're not going to be able to tell really that half-inch difference. Actually, if you total it, it's an inch difference. You're not really going to notice it, which is fine. I think it looks great. Here, I'll show you a little back here view. I think it's going to be super cool. Drop it in the comments. Let me know what you think. If you guys are really interested in this video, I'm probably going to title it like Ram Cablights on a 2010 Sierra or something. But I guess we get into this. Alright guys, so some time has passed. Got them all done. It looks good. You guys want to see this, or? Nah, you guys don't want to see it. Alright, I'll show you. I will say, guys, these things look so freaking good on this truck. I'm really happy I went with the Dodge style cab lights. I'm not sure how I would have liked the 2500 Chevy cab lights, you know, the big one and then the two little ones. It's really nice. I do think it's really nice, but I really think that suits the truck. And I think it really gives it a different flair from the Chevy look. So, yeah, that's the truck. I tried to show you guys as much as possible. I kind of started getting a headache, and I had to kind of, for a minute, and it took a little longer than I wanted to. So I really hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.